Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a smooth zoom effects on a CapCut PC. So here I've already add a video that I want to insert some smooth zoom effects, and there are two ways to do that. First, you can use the keyframes feature on the CapCut, or you can also use the video effects on CapCut. So first I'm going to show you how you can use the video effects. So you can just go to the effects at the top, click on the lens category, and then find the zoom lens effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the plus icon to add it to your video. So the clips will have a zoom lens like this, a zoom effect like this. But to make it smoother, you can just lower the speed in here like this. And there you go. You'll have that smooth zoom effect. I don't know why my CapCut is a bit laggy, but there you go. So that's the first way, and the second way is you can just use keyframes. So first just click on your clip, and here you need to add a keyframe at the beginning of your clip. In the scale settings here, add a keyframe, then go to the end of your clips, add another keyframe and scale the clip in. Just slide it to the right like this, and you can always repositioning your clips also. And here is the result with the keyframes. Okay, so there you go. You have two options, and you can just choose which one that you want to use, keyframes or video effects. Okay guys, so that's for me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.